It's a challenge. Pero yun nga, may paraan naman po. We look into the main nature of science and how science becomes science. It's more of coming up with sets of knowing how to reason out, okay? Knowing what are the specific values that we are incorporating in the teaching of science and how scientific method is being translated in the teaching of science. I am sharing with you the content in terms of physical science, living science or living systems, and earth and space systems. Now, there are also knowledge that are in the context of procedural. There is also certain level of knowledge called epistemic knowledge or the knowing of knowing. So these are the kind of skills expected that it should be translated into our science teaching. Then eventually, we will be assessing. Iintindihin po natin yung vertical and horizontal alignment and development of science curriculum. The trend right now is really focusing on integrating these scientific concepts into this kind of learning delivery. Alam ko po, mahirap ito gawin kung ikaw lang ang mag-isa. Kaya nga, di ba, pinopromote natin dito sa STEM Collab natin that we will be working together.